This video tutorial is going to walk you through copying your course for the new term and for additional sections. Currently, course links can only be copied for the same instructor in Vantage. If multiple sections are being taught by different instructors, each instructor will need to create their own Vantage links. So let's begin. I also recommend that you go to vantage.sagepub.com and create your new course by going to create a course. And this way you can revisit your global settings and change anything that you wanted to. And then if you have multiple sections, you can copy that Vantage course after you would go in here and put your due dates and all those things to make it easier. And you would do that by coming in here and clicking on that cog and selecting copy for the course copy. I'm going to go into my blank course shell, and I'll go into the little cog area next to my name, and I click on import export copy components. And now I'm going to search for my course that I want to copy into my blank shell. And this is my course that I want to copy. I select that and then add selected. And now I can either copy all my components or I can select different components, but I want to copy all my components. Now this usually is a good time to go into your Vantage and create your new course while you're waiting for this to all download. So your copy is complete. We're going to go in and view the content. And this way we're going to come in here and actually click on a link. So you can click on any Vantage link. So let's go click on the chapter test. And now because I have already gone into Vantage and created my course just recently, I'm going to pair your LMS course to an existing Vantage course. It's existing because we just went and created it. So I'm going to click this box here. And now here's my branded course that I created for fall of 2022. Spring. I'm going to click on select. And now it's going to open up into the window of the link that I had selected, which I selected chapter 1. So now we're in for the students to start taking the chapter test. So let's go back into our D2L course. And just to show you, we're going to click on another, let's go to the reading link. And here we are, the very first page of that chapter. So that is how quick and easy it is to copy your course from one semester to another or one section to another. Thank you so much and have a good day.